Hey everyone, namaste. I hope you guys are doing fine. So, for the update, I'm feeling better, but my mom is in a critical situation right now, and I don't know what to do about it because I can't do anything about it, and I hate feeling so helpless. So, this video is not to tell you guys how my family is doing, actually, it's about something that really pisses me off. So, the thing is that people are busy blaming the government. I don't care what the government did or did not because, as a matter of fact, the people acted very responsibly. And there were people who were taking precautions, but because of the irresponsible ones, even the innocent ones are facing the consequences. Now, the thing is कि इस वीडियो में मैं हिंदी में भी बात करूँगी क्योंकि देयर माइट बी पीपल हु माइट नॉट अंडरस्टैंड इंग्लिश, तो उनके लिए मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में बोलूँगी क्योंकि इम्पॉर्टेंट है, बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है. तो अगर मैं ज़्यादा देर बोलती हूँ ना कंटिन्यूसली तो मैं थक जाती हूँ. मैं थोड़ा पॉज ले लेके बोल रही हूँ. अब क्यों थक जाती हूँ मुझे बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, समझ जाओ. हाँ, so as I was saying, that there are things that are really pissing me off, and those include people not helping each other, people making excuses of why they can't do anything. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा तुम लोगों को ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि तुम लोग कुछ नहीं कर सकते. If you do not know how to help people, text me. I will give you options. And few of them I'm going to tell you right now. If you're privileged enough to understand this video, and if you're privileged enough to be educated to know how to use internet, and if you have internet, you can do a lot of things. पहले तो तुम लोग volunteer कर सकते हो to check if the sources that are on the internet, if they are verified sources or not. There are different groups who are seeking for volunteers जो उनको help कर सके to verify sources. Second, you can just put it on your story कि अगर किसी को कोई लीड्स ढूंढने में हेल्प चाहिए तो लेट मी नो. या तुम किसी भी अगर ट्विटर पर एक्टिव हो तो ट्वीट कर सकते हो दैट इफ़ यू नीड हेल्प जस्ट लेट मी नो. So if people reach out to you, you can help them finding sources. Then you can do things like creating positive content for people. So you can spread it around. It can help people like me who are very stressed right now. I'm so worried about my mom. I don't know what to do. It just I texted my therapist, but she's busy this entire week. So you can try and create positive content for people like me. Once again, yes. Then that's the third thing. Fourth thing, what you can do is you can give out donations. Now I completely understand if you do not know where to donate. If you think that तुम इनको पैसे दोगे and then they will use it somewhere else, or who knows if they're genuinely going to help people. In those cases, what you can do is you can go to clinics or you can call clinics. बड़े बड़े हॉस्पिटल्स की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं, clinics, normal clinics, जो छोटे clinics होते हैं. You can ask them कि do you have patients who are unable to afford this. So then you can say that I would like to sponsor their medical appliances like oxygen cylinders or the injections. Even बड़े बड़े हॉस्पिटल्स में you can, if you do not want to go there personally, you can just call and ask that do you have a list of people who are not able to afford. I can I can sponsor their medicines. If even if you are middle class, you will at least be able to spend 1,000 or 2,000 per person. If you cannot spend 1,000 2,000 per person, 400 रुपये का आई थिंक एक सिलेंडर है ऑक्सीजन का, उतना तो तुम लोग अपनी सेविंग से दे ही सकते हो. Even if you have saved money for something like buying your phone or buying your laptop or PC, you will be able to do that later as well. You can save it again. How is it more important than saving someone's life? And here it is not the question of choice. This is not like I can't force you to do it. I want to force you to do it. Do it. This is not a question of your individual choice. Do you understand? Do you understand that people are literally dying? Have you seen the condition of the crematory grounds where people are being buried? It's not about what you want. I hope you understand. It's about what others need. There are people who, if you do not have money, or if your parents are unwilling to spare money, I can understand. You can do something like, I have this friend who just posted that if you want me to write your assignments, you can let me know. She posted it on her social media. You can do that too. You can help people do their assignments. I have shitload of load about my own dissertation. I wish someone does it for me, but none of my asshole friends ask if they can do it for me. So yeah, if you can, if you want, you can take it as an insult to all of my classmates. But anyway, moving on. Yeah, so you can do that. You can offer people to write their assignments, or you can offer them to make notes for their exams. You can just ask them कि हमें मुझे तुम्हारा study material दे दो, I will help you make notes. There are so many things that you can do just by sitting at your home in the AC. Another thing is, my mom does not really have healthy food right now in the hospital that she is in, and she is not anywhere nearby, so I can go and deliver. Even I cannot go and deliver since I'm recently recovering. So if I go and if I get infected again, it's just going to make everything worse. So if you know if there are hospitals around you, you can cook for people there. You can cook healthy food for them and go and give it in the hospitals. You know what I'm trying to say? There are so many things that you can do. Just you should want enough to do it. मतलब तुम्हें ऐसे अंदर से लगना चाहिए कि हाँ मुझे किसकी मदद करनी है. अगर तुम्हें मदद ही नहीं करनी, and this is not just about humans. There are animals who are dying out of hunger. I read this about a tigress that was murdered in her own cave. People are very cruel. The least you can do is go and give water to animals on street and birds. You can put water in that small bowl outside your house, and just like so birds can come and drink it. A life is a life. It does not matter if it's a human life or an animal's or a bird's. Why do you want people to die of starvation? Why do you want animals to die of starvation? Why do you want birds to die of thirst? If you cannot think of ways to help, text me or comment down in the sections that I want to help. Can you suggest me ways? I'll give you a list. I really wish I could help more than I can right now. But my friend told me you are the one who needs help, which is very true. So yeah, I can't help. Please help. And this is the stupidest and the most annoying thing that anyone can say. Please help. You should do it without others asking you to do it. So yeah, I'm tired. I need to go. Peace out. But yeah, please use these methods. You can help people. You can ask mental health pages on Instagram or Twitter. You can ask if you can volunteer, and you can pick calls for people who are having these outbursts, or people who are feeling hopeless. There are so many things even on mental health pages that you can help with. You just have to want enough to help. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope this makes a difference and you feel the need to help people. And yeah, that's it. Take care. Be safe.